Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you the basics of Unity. So this is how Unity looks like. Where this one has I changed my layout according to my preference. It is not the default layout, but from here you can just do whatever you need. You can just put the layout. So this is the scene where you you can modify everything and with the basic shapes or the custom assets from Unity Asset Store, and where the developer see and design the level layout. Here then comes the game scene where the player who is playing the game will see through the camera, and here we have a hierarchy where every object in the scene will be here, and the project where down we put everything here, every we put every assets here. And this is inspector where a selected game objects component will be displayed in the inspector, and these are almost. Then comes the console where errors, default print and warning will be shown in console. I will be providing the link. If you are new to the Unity, I will be providing the link below the description. You can just click the link and download the Unity Hub, and this is how the hub looks. And before I already signed it in, so initially it will ask you to sign in. You can sign in with any email ID. I personally signed it with uh, Google Gmail. So after you log in into Unity, this is how it will look like, Unity Hub. Here I have few projects. In the uh, beginning of game development in Unity, you won't find any projects here, and from here you need to install editor by clicking the install editor and choose the recommended. So I already have the recommended ones. Once it installs, I'll just show. Once I'll install, I need by default Microsoft Communication. Maybe someone who is interested in making Android, you can just download it by clicking these things. And web build, you don't need. I suggest you these three recommendation: universal window platform build, web build, and window build, and the documentation with Visual Studio. If you don't want to install Visual Studio and you want to continue with Visual Code, you can just unclick it and install it. And in the settings, projects preference, not project player, in preference, here you can use anything. Preference, in external tools, you can choose Visual Studio Code here, and it will automatically open in Visual Studio Code. So those who like Visual Studio 2022 instead of Visual Studio 2022, those who like code, they can work with code. That's all for today. Thank you so much.